What's your name?
Kavita Patel.
Okay, ma'am. What's your age?
I'm 46.
Okay. Ma'am, how is your experience at Pasana?
It has been really great. Like when I came over here, I was feeling very sluggish, very down in terms of my morale, in terms of my mental health and my physical health. But 1.5 months over here with the kind of workout that was planned out for me, it really helped me a lot because today I feel my body is much healthy. I feel more energetic. I do much more work than I was doing it before.
Okay.
So the experience has been really great. The workout has been very systematic.
Okay.
So
Any
it.
particular accomplishment or any particular aspect wherein you have seriously benefited from Pasanas?
Yes, as I said, earlier I used to go to gym and I would do the workouts which I was very regular at. But coming over here in 1.5 months, the trainers or the coaches whom we term them as, I term them as physical coaches. Okay, so they have been really very good. When I asked them, I was very clear with them. My hemoglobin was down when I came over here. It was just 8.5. For a normal female, it has to be like 12.5.
Right.
So this was pretty down. So one was my metabolism was not working so properly, it seems. Apart from the medication that I was taking for my hemoglobin. But the exercise, what they worked it out for me, that really helped.
That was customized.
That was customized.
Okay.
So it helped me increase my metabolism, because of which I was able to take proper food, which really I was able to extract the nutrients that my body needed.
Okay. Any particular weight loss thing has happened?
Yes, as I said, I have lost 4.5 kgs.
4.5 kgs. Okay,
in this
that's great.
1.5
Okay,
months.
ma'am, how about MyUID at Pasanas?
That is really great. If somebody really wants to know his or her own personality in terms of attitude and aptitude, I think MyUID is great. Even at this age, when I'm a professional into business for last almost 20 years, but then there were certain shortcomings that I could recognize through MyID.
Okay. And how has been your experience of your daughter, Maitri?
Yes, like in any other relationship, mother-daughter relationship, we always used to have arguments. I was planning out future for her and looking to the kind of qualities that she has, and she was in the opinion I would with a very wavering kind of mind. I don't blame her for that. She's too young for it. But then MyUID really helped her out in zeroing down onto the career prospects that she should be looking forward to.
Okay.
In terms of her studies also, in terms of her career prospects also.
Okay.
So with that, we were able to zero down on for her. She had to select for her last year, for the second year of her MBA. She had to select her subjects, whether she wanted to go in for a core or for a minor or major. But with this MyUID, she was able to work onto that, and she figured it out very well what she would like to do next in her life.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.